Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my homemade lights. I have made a steampunk design light with controlling the brightness. This one is pretty good and good looking spider, and you can choose what project to see. Just select the time here. Everything will be marked. Enjoy! Online on Pinterest I found a very cool lamp that looks like a spider, and I was inspired to make my own. So let's build it. In next minutes you wanna watch how I made the spider lamp, the wooden spider lamp. I'm using couple of wooden pieces. Also I'm using a bulb base, a short electric cable, couple of metal nails and 2-component glue. And here it is, the final product. very cool and scary looking spider lamp. There are no electronics in this project, just the bulb base that is directly hooked up on the AC cable, and I'm using this old type of bulb that will go right here. And now it's much better. Let's plug in. Whoa. It's pretty awesome and scary. That was all for today's project. I hope you like it. And this was a crazy project. A spider lamp. In today's video I am making a homemade, completely from scratch, wooden retro style light bulb or light lamp with dimming for the bulb, with potentiometer and electronics, of course. And in next minute you're gonna watch how I work on the wooden piece, and from nothing I make something. Okay, here it is, the circuit diagram for making the light bulb dimmer, and there is just few components. Like the first thing is the switch, power switch, the fuse. Here it is, the bulb for dimming, and the dimmer consists from one resistor 10 kilo ohms, one potentiometer 500 kilo ohms, capacitors to 100 nanofarads at 630 volts and above, one diode. This is the triac BT136. Here it is at front view, and all that will be placed inside that small wooden controlling box. Okay. Sorry for the mess. I don't have time to clean all the wires. Okay. Here it is, the lamp. Okay, in retro style. Okay, let's look at the details. The first detail in this retro style lamp, homemade lamp, is the power cable. I have used two wires and I twist them to get this kind of wire. Orange is my favorite color. And here it is, the controlling box. This is the power switch, the potentiometer and the fuse. Here comes the AC voltage in and came out regulated for dimming light. Okay, we have switch, potentiometer and the fuse. Very nice. This is my logo. I forgot I have punching letters. This is my sign, Hakero 22. Okay. From the controlling box, the wire goes through this hole, comes here into the light base. You can pull out the light bulb, it's easy replaceable. This is ordinary light bulb, it's not LED filament or something. Ordinary bulb that span electricity very well. Okay. Next that I want to explain are these metal pieces. They are for protecting the wood. Beside this light bulb, it's just 40 watts, and I don't think so it will be harmful for the wood. With all details, all this burned stuff is made by me. And here, also with the punch tool, I make my logo, Hakero 22. This year means, and now it's time for testing. Come on. Okay. Just to kill the lights. Okay. 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 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Maximum power. Okay, I need a little light just to see better. Okay. Working fine. Power off, power on, dimming. Great. I hope you liked today's DIY video, which was making a wood retro lamp with controlling the brightness of the light bulb. Let's continue with the project, and the first thing that we need to do is making the battery pack out of 3 LiPo 18650 batteries and connected in serial that will give 12 volts. But for regular charging we need a BMS charging module, which is this one. And here it is, the PCB board for charging the batteries, and like this you need to connect in serial, and on these points, negative and positive, you can charge the battery, or you can connect a load, which is nice. At the same time, on the same points you can charge or load. Good. After making the battery pack and soldering the wires with the BMS, next thing is making the wooden box, split it in 2 parts, and in next minute you're gonna watch how I made it. Also, I am using a couple of electronic components like digital LED voltmeter module for showing the voltage. I'm going to use one push switch. I'm going to use one main switch for power on the LEDs. In this case, I'm using Piranha LEDs, and I'm gonna place LEDs around all the box. That means 360 degrees. And I'm using one 12 volt DC output socket that will be for load or for charging. Here it is, the final result. This is my logo. I made it in 2022. There are two boxes, 1, 2. Here is placed, as I said, the battery pack. Here it is, the electronics. It's simple, but it looks complicated. I have put LEDs from 4 sides, 360 degrees. I have used a transparent plastic piece just to protect the LEDs, and here it is, the LED voltmeter. Let's try it. It shows 11.4 volts. Great. Here it is, the 12 volts output that can be output and input for charging the battery pack. On these terminals also I have output of 12 volts, and this is the main switch for turning on the LED light for camping. Just to kill the lights. Alright, this is nice. From all sides I have placed LEDs, and this is a nice box. And next thing is this. Let's say that this light is not enough for you, but I have a 12 volts output. And here it is, the LED strip that works on 12 volts with DC jack. Let's turn off this one and turning on the LED light strip. Take a look at that. I have two lights now, the LED strip and the box itself. This is nice. Let's check the voltage. 10.9 volts. The voltage has dropped because here we have many LEDs that pull out very current. Turn it off, showing 11.3. Okay, I hope you like it. It turned out pretty amazing. It's made from wood, it's a homemade camping rechargeable LED light.